Hey there, skincare enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of skincare with a focus on one magical ingredient, castor oil. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable health and beauty benefits. Join me as we uncover its secrets and explore why you should incorporate it into your nighttime routine. First, let's journey through time and explore the rich history of castor oil. From ancient Egypt, where it was revered as a beauty elixir fit for queens like Cleopatra, to its modern-day uses, castor oil has stood the test of time as a versatile natural remedy. Now, onto the good stuff, the benefits. One of the standout advantages of using castor oil at night is its unparalleled ability to deeply moisturize and nourish the skin. Packed with fatty acids, it's like a tall glass of water for your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. But wait, there's more. Castor oil isn't just a one-trick pony. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it a superhero against redness, inflammation, and pesky breakouts. Plus, it's a collagen-boosting powerhouse, helping to turn back the clock on fine lines and wrinkles. Now that you are aware of the benefits of castor oil, let's discuss how you can incorporate it into your nighttime skincare routine. One of the easiest ways to use castor oil is as a facial cleanser. Simply apply a small amount of castor oil to your face and massage it into your skin in circular motions. This will help to remove impurities and excess oil, leaving your skin clean and refreshed. Another popular way to use castor oil is as a moisturizer. After cleansing your face, apply a few drops of castor oil to your fingertips and gently massage it into your skin. The oil will penetrate deep into the layers of your skin, providing long-lasting hydration. If you prefer a lighter texture, you can mix a few drops of castor oil with your favorite moisturizer. The effects of castor oil on hair and scalp health. In addition to its benefits for the skin, castor oil is also highly regarded for its effects on hair and scalp health. Due to its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, castor oil can help to nourish and strengthen the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help to keep the scalp clean and free from dandruff. To use castor oil for your hair, simply warm a small amount between your palms and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. Regular use of castor oil can help to reduce hair breakage, improve hair texture, and add shine to your locks. Other surprising benefits of castor oil. Aside from its skincare and hair care benefits, castor oil has a few other surprising uses. It can be used as a natural remedy for constipation, as it acts as a mild laxative when taken orally. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil for this purpose. Castor oil can also be used as a natural lubricant for dry eyes. Simply apply a drop or two of castor oil to your eyes before bedtime to help alleviate dryness and discomfort. However, make sure to use a high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil that is safe for ophthalmic use. Tips for purchasing and using castor oil. When purchasing castor oil, it is important to choose a high-quality product that is 100% pure and cold-pressed. Cold-pressed castor oil is extracted without the use of heat, which helps to retain its beneficial properties. Look for organic and unrefined options to ensure the highest quality. When using castor oil, a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the quantity as needed. Remember to perform a patch test before applying castor oil to your face or scalp to check for any adverse reactions. Potential side effects and precautions when using castor oil. While castor oil is generally safe to use, it is important to be aware of potential side effects and take necessary precautions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions or skin irritation when using castor oil. If you notice any redness, itching, or swelling, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. It is worth noting that castor oil should not be ingested in large quantities, as it can cause digestive discomfort and diarrhea. Pregnant women should also exercise caution when using castor oil, as it may stimulate uterine contractions. Frequently asked questions about castor oil. Can castor oil be used on all skin types? Yes, castor oil is generally safe for all skin types. However, individuals with oily or acne-prone skin should use it sparingly and monitor their skin's reaction. How often should I use castor oil in my nighttime routine? You can use castor oil in your nighttime routine every day or a few times a week, depending on your skin's needs. Experiment with different frequencies to find what works best for you. Can castor oil help with eyelash and eyebrow growth? Yes. Applying castor oil to your lashes and brows can help to promote growth and strengthen the hair follicles. Use a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab to apply the oil. Conclusion: why you should start incorporating castor oil into your nighttime routine. Incorporating castor oil into your nighttime routine can bring about astonishing benefits for your skin, hair, and overall well-being. From moisturizing and nourishing the skin to promoting hair growth and even aiding in constipation relief, castor oil is a versatile and effective natural ingredient. Remember to choose high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil and perform a patch test before use. Whether you decide to use it as a cleanser, moisturizer, or hair treatment, castor oil has the potential to revolutionize your nighttime routine. Embrace the power of this ancient beauty elixir and experience the astonishing benefits for yourself. Don't miss out on more skincare secrets. Subscribe now for weekly tips and tricks. Leave a comment below to share your castor oil journey.